Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to turn off the mouse acceleration on Windows 11 or 10 PC. Now the easiest way to do this is come to the search box here on the taskbar and search out for Control Panel. After just typing CO, Control Panel should be best match, so let's select that. And in View by Category, you should see Hardware and Sound. Select that. And at the top here in Device and Printers, you should see Mouse. Select that. Now within the mouse properties, you should see pointer options across the top. Let's select that. And here at the top is the motion. You can change the speed of which your mouse moves. But underneath here is what you want to uncheck, Enhanced Pointer Precision. This is the mouse acceleration on Windows 11 or 10. Once you've done that, select Apply and then OK. And you will have turned off mouse acceleration on Windows 11 or 10 PC.